The OptiMate G10 12V or 16V is a smart, fully automatic battery charger designed for high-performance or racing batteries, including 12V and 16V AGM, as well as 12.8V or 13.2V and 16V LFP lithium batteries. The charge voltage for LFP lithium performance batteries is set to 3.6 volts per cell, which is 14.4 volts for a 4-cell 12.8V LFP battery and 18 volts for a 5-cell 16V LFP battery. Do not charge LTO lithium titanate batteries with this charger. The charge voltage for AGM lead-acid performance batteries is set to 2.45 volts per cell, which is 14.7 volts for a 6-cell 12V AGM battery and 19.6 volts for an 8-cell 16V AGM lead-acid battery. Do not charge standard flooded lead-acid batteries with this charger. Make the battery mode selection before connecting to the battery. Press and release the button until the voltage and chemistry type matches your battery. Selection is memorized if you make no further selection, even if you turn off the charger. You are now ready to charge your battery at any time. The OptiMate G10 12V or 16V has 8 program steps that are shared between Fast Charge and Diagnostic programs. The Fast Charge program recharges a battery at maximum current to ready it for use as rapidly as possible. Fast Charge is recommended for batteries with capacity equal or higher than the amp-hour rating in the table. Charging automatically starts if the battery voltage exceeds 11 volts for a 12V battery or 15 volts for a 16V battery. If during fast charge the battery is connected and now air LED 8 blinks, the battery's voltage is below the threshold that will automatically initiate charging. To charge a deep-discharge low-voltage battery, the Diagnostic program must be manually activated. The Diagnostic program is dual-purpose. When selected, it can, first, recover a deep-discharge battery with voltage below 11 volts for a 12V battery or below 15 volts for a 16V battery. Activate Diagnostic program by pressing the button for 3 seconds. Air LED 8 should turn off, and the selected battery mode LED will slowly pulse, and charging will automatically start. Second, charge a battery with amp-hour capacity below the minimum value. During Diagnostic, Ampmatic current control is active, during which charge current is dynamically adjusted to match the battery's capacity. A smaller battery gets less, a bigger battery gets more. Diagnostic can be pre-selected prior to battery connection. With battery mode confirmed, once again press the button for 3 seconds until the selected mode LED starts pulsing. Now, connect the battery, and charging starts automatically if the battery's voltage is at least 0.5 volts, confirmed by LED 3 turning on. If LED 3 did not turn on, and the battery is a lithium LFP battery with a smart battery management system that turned off its power, proceed as follows. Press the button for a further 3 seconds until LED 3 blinks, indicating BMS reset pulses are being delivered to the battery. When LED 3 turns full on, the battery's BMS has reset and is receiving charge. The LEDs are numbered from 1 to 8 as per the instruction manual. Charging starts automatically if the battery's voltage is 11 volts or higher for a 12V battery or 15 volts or higher for a 16V battery. Red LED 3 indicates the battery is below 50% state of charge. LED 3 will remain lit for a minimum of 10 seconds whilst the program verifies battery health. If it remains lit, the battery is receiving pulse reconditioning charge before it moves to step 4. Blue LED 4 indicates the battery is more than 50% charged and is receiving maximum charge current. During every hour, 9 to 10 amps of charge is delivered to a 12-volt battery, or 7 to 8 amps of charge is delivered to a 16-volt battery. Blue LED 5 indicates when battery state of charge has reached 75%. Charging continues until the maximum charge voltage has been reached, as set by the selected battery mode. When the green LED 6 blinks, the battery has reached 100% full charge. Charging is interrupted for 5 minutes to confirm if the battery is able to hold charge. If yellow test LED 7 or red test LED 8 blink, the battery could not hold charge, or there is excessive current draw from the vehicle that rapidly reduced the battery's voltage. When test LED 6 turns full on, maximum current is available to support the battery if vehicle systems are active and drawing power. If no current draw is sensed, the program progresses to the final step, 24/7 maintenance. Charge level is monitored hourly, and a float charge is delivered to keep the battery at full charge. Charging starts automatically if Diagnostic was pre-selected and the battery's voltage is above 0.5 volts. Red LED 3 indicates the battery mode-specific recovery and recondition is in process. A sulfated AGM battery will receive sulfation recovery charge, followed by a pulse reconditioning charge. A lithium LFP battery will receive a controlled recovery charge that will increase in power if the battery is recovering as expected. Progress is carefully monitored, charging may be interrupted, and error LED 8 will rapidly blink if permanent damage has been sensed. Blue LED 4 indicates the battery is more than 50% charged and is receiving Ampmatic controlled charge current that matches the battery's amp-hour capacity. Blue LED 5 indicates when battery state of charge has reached 75%. Charging continues until the maximum charge voltage has been reached, as set by the selected battery mode. After this, a controlled pulsing charge equalizes the cells and maximizes their potential. When the green test LED 6 blinks, the battery has reached 100% full charge. Charging is interrupted for 30 minutes to confirm if the battery is able to hold charge. If yellow test LED 7 or red test LED 8 blink, the battery could not hold charge, or there is excessive current draw from the vehicle that rapidly reduces the battery's voltage. When test LED 6 turns full on, maximum current is available to support the battery if vehicle systems are active and drawing power. If no current draw is sensed, the program progresses to the final step, 24/7 maintenance. Charge level is monitored hourly, and a float charge is delivered to keep the battery at full charge. Error LED 8 blinks rapidly if the battery is connected in reverse polarity, or if the battery is deep discharged and fast charge program is active. Activate Diagnostic program by pressing the button for 3 seconds. Error LED 8 should turn off. The selected battery mode LED will slowly pulse, and charging will automatically start, confirmed by LED 3 turning on. This manual selection process prevents automatic charging at the wrong voltage or current, such as a deep discharge 16-volt battery is mistaken for a 12-volt battery and is undercharged, or a 12-volt battery is mistaken for a deep discharged 16-volt battery and is overcharged, or a deep discharged lithium LFP battery receives too high charge current and suffers permanent damage. Error LED 8 also blinks rapidly together with the LFP mode LED, to indicate ambient temperature is below or above the safe level for LFP lithium batteries. When temperature is back within range, indicated by the LFP mode LED turning full on, press the button for 3 seconds to restart charging. Error LED 8 may also blink after LED 3 indicated the recovery mode was active, or if during the battery test the voltage rapidly dropped, indicating a damaged battery. If the indication is as a result of attempting to recover a deep-discharged battery, do not charge again. The battery should be replaced.